It's 95 degrees in this house. Upstairs, 92 degrees. Checking the temperature coming out of the vent, we have 72 degrees. That's a 20-degree split. So upstairs is being heated because downstairs is 95, 96 degrees. So we're gonna leave the upstairs alone for now because it seems to be okay. Let's check out the downstairs. Surprisingly, I checked the temperature coming out of the vents. We have a 20-degree split coming out of the vent for upstairs. So let's take a look at downstairs and see if that 96 degree is heating up the upstairs. Okay, the first problem that I found, check this out. Look at this filter. It's so clogged, it's sucking into the machine, and you know what that is? That's sawdust. That means that someone was doing construction on the house and the unit was on, and that completely clogged the filter. So we're gonna check the pressures with the filter and we're gonna check it without the filter, and let's see the difference. Okay, so for the downstairs unit, we're looking okay. Really high superheat. Let's just see what it looks like when we pull the filter out. Do you hear that noise? The fan? Listen to this. Now you barely hear it. It was really, really suffocating for air. So in this case, the downstairs, I pulled the filter out. The temperature went up a little bit on the low side, but there's 91 degrees coming out of the vent, and the coil is 40 degrees, which only leads to one thing, the heat strips being on. So I put an amp probe, and guess what? They are on. Oh, I replaced that heat strip relay. The unit is cooling down, but I thought you might want to see that filter. Right, so it's only been running for a couple minutes the proper way, and we went from 96 to 93. Soon this home will be nice and comfortable. AC Man Heating and Air Conditioning. Right now we're in Dunn, North Carolina, but we serve Fayetteville, North Carolina and surrounding cities. Book an appointment online or give us a call. Remember, AC Man, we go beyond.